Welcome. This is Chapter 2, Section 3, Exploring a Triangle Center and Creating a Custom Tool. This is Farhad speaking. First, we have to make a triangle, which you should already know how to create it by selecting the 3 points in here. And these points need to be selected to create a segment. Before I do anything else, I need to name them. So I click on the text tool and I just click on these points. I would like to change the name to A, B, C. To this. So my triangle is ready. Now I have to create a midpoint between each of the sides, each of the leg segments. So when I click on this side, segment A to B, I can just say midpoint. I do the same thing for the other side, and then one more time. There you go. Before I do anything, let me name them. As you can see, it's giving different names, so I'm going to change it to D, E, F. Now to create a centroid, we need these to be intersected inside this triangle. So I need to create a line segment for the point B opposite of it. So selecting point B, the opposite of that is F. So segment. Point C, the opposite of that is point D. Click the segment, and then finally point A, opposite of it is point E. Then I click on the segment part. There you go. Now we have that. Let me just select 2 points and say intersection, which is here. This is our centroid. Point O, but I'm going to change it and name it centroid. There you go. As you can see, they're intersected, so when I move B, point B, it moves around. When I move point C, it happens the same thing. Next, we're going to create a custom tool. The way we do that is by going here and we have to say create new tool, but it's not selected because the way I want the custom tool to be created is by selecting point A, B, well I need the segments also, B, C, and then I need to select. So this is giving me the input. Now the output would be the inside of it. So selecting the points for the midpoints. Now this is selected. Now I can see my create new tool, and I'm going to call this Centroid as well, and I'm going to say show script view. There you go. I have the script. So the centroid is already here, so I selected that custom tool called centroid, and now as you can see my clicker, my mouse has a point. As you can see, that's point A. I'm going to point B, then all the way to this, and this is point C. There you go. My centroid is created.